If you select the marquee tool and then select an area of the image, and then if you would hold the control key, you should be able to move the selected part. First of all, you won't be able to move without selecting the layer first. But now after selecting the layer and holding the control key, I still can't move the part. Instead, it moves the whole image. And without holding the control key, it just moves the marquee selection. So the trick in here is to right click on the image or the layer and select rasterize layer. Now, after selecting the move tool, I could easily select the selected area and move the selected part. Now that I have rasterized the image, even after selecting the marquee tool, I could move the selected area by holding the control key and then dragging that selected area to anywhere I want. If you want to move parts of your image without rasterizing, then watch my other video on the screen. You could also find all my Photoshop tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe to support my channel.